Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Aquarians. What's on your side? On your side, we have the Four of Swords. Let's see what's there on your person's side. The Knight of Pentacles. The most likely outcome is the Knight of Wands. Okay. So you are giving it some time, just leaving it and surrendering it to the time, leaving it to God, leaving it to the universe. So maybe it is a pause in your relationship. Okay, so this is the time which you are giving to yourself perhaps. And on your person's side we have the Knight of Pentacles. So this is a stable offer. This person may be slow in opening up, may be slow in showing their love for you, but then yes, whatever they have to offer is solid. It's not that this person is not a person who is just uh, just for a flirtatious type of a relationship. Love is there, though you may not see things moving very fast, but then they will be solid and stable. The most likely outcome is the Knight of Wands. So definitely somebody really wants to rush in very fast. Somebody has an impulse of making a fast move. We'll see what that is. So let's see, why is this Four of Swords here on your side, Aquarius? Why is this Four of Swords here on your side? So for the Four of Swords, we have the Nine of Wands, the Five of Wands, and the Temperance. For the Knight of Pentacles on your person's side, let's see why is this Knight of Pentacles on your person's side. So for the Knight of Pentacles, we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. Okay. Well, let's see this Knight of Wands. Why is this Knight of Wands here as the most likely outcome for Aquarians? So for the Knight of Wands, we have the Six of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay, so Aquarians, you've been waiting for something since a long time over here. Though you were very, very determined to get it, you really have used all your patience, all your determination, and you really kept on waiting perhaps for somebody here to make a move. That's what I feel. Okay. So what I feel is that things were not progressing. That's what I feel, and you've been waiting and waiting for a long time. With the Five of Wands, I think there is an argument or a just give me a second. See, what I am getting here is that there was a situation here for which you've been waiting since a long time, and now you just want to align these wands like this, and you just want to make an exit. Actually, that's what I feel. You've been waiting over here with all these wands since a long time. You could have crossed it, but somehow, for whatever reason, you kept on waiting patiently for something or someone to come in or something to happen. But now you really want to get out of this. Actually, you don't want to keep on waiting over here. You just want to put these bars one above the other, and you want to make an exit here. So what I feel here is, and then it is being followed by the Temperance. So what you feel is that it's high time that you've been waiting, you really need to exit, make an exit from this situation, so that your life is sort of balanced and aligned. So here with these dots, what I see is this is an alignment over here, and these dots like this with the temperance over here. So what I feel here is that you want to align your life. You've been waiting and waiting for something to happen. Now you really don't want to keep on waiting just like that. You want to make a move and you want to align your life. You want things to get sorted, and you want to balance your life over here. Okay, and that is why this Four of Swords is here. That's it's now you just want to give yourself that time. Okay. You really want to come out of that waiting game now, basically, and you want to take charge also of your life, balance it, and you want to take charge of it. Okay. So what I feel here is that for the Four of Swords, it's been enough time that you've given to yourself, and now you really want to slowly and steadily come out of this zone. Okay, for the Knight of Pentacles, here we have the Ten of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Cups. So this person is ready to give you a commitment. Maybe this person is really slow, but they do have that offer of stability in their mind. They may be confused at some point in time, yes, as to what to do, what not to do, because what I feel is maybe there is something going on in your life. So because of this person also feels that indecisiveness. But with the Two of Cups being here, this person is not going anywhere. This person really has a solid commitment for you. Okay, and maybe you are still in that zone of coming out of something which has been troubling you at some point in time, perhaps, or because of this, maybe if this person had kept you waiting, so now they are ready to make a move, and this indecisiveness now at least will be over, and they will be able to step up and offer you this Two of Cups at least. But they do have that Ten of Pentacles and that commitment on their mind. For the Knight of Wands, we have the Six of Swords, the Page of Swords, and the Page of Wands. So there is an impulse of rushing in towards each other, and with the Six of Swords, somebody here is definitely releasing the past and ready to move towards a new beginning with the Page of Swords and with the Page of Wands. So somebody is definitely ready to liberate themselves, and as this person is ready to leave the past and liberate themselves for a new beginning, they realize that they do have the passion for this relationship and for this person, and then this person feels the impulse of rushing towards and making things right, something like that. So let's see what is the message from the universe. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. Number 17 may be of some significance for you. So Aquarians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and I'll be exploring the reading further on Patreon. For that, the link is given in the description box below. You're most welcome to join there. Bye. Thank you.